Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're diving into the future of Termux hacking tools. In 2026, Termux has become a powerhouse for security pros and hobbyists alike. From brute force engines to dark web crawlers, Termux is now the Swiss Army knife of mobile hacking. Let's jump in. Hydrax is a Termux brute force tool that uses AI, multi-threading, and GPU acceleration for fast password cracking. It adapts its attack strategies using machine learning and supports protocols like OAuth 2.0, SAML, and biometric fallback. The interface lets you adjust thread counts, GPU settings, and protocol modules. You get desktop-level brute forcing power on your mobile device. NetSpectre turns your phone into a powerful network scanner, analyzing packets, detecting hidden devices, and mapping connections in real time. You get a live heat map of devices and connections, color-coded by risk and traffic. Stealth mode lets you scan networks without triggering alarms. AI highlights vulnerabilities like weak protocols and outdated firmware. Export your scan results for documentation. Only scan networks you own or are authorized to test. Termux Phish Pro is an advanced social engineering tool for Termux, generating AI-powered phishing templates and landing pages tailored to your target. It can simulate banking logins, corporate portals, and more, making pages nearly identical to real sites. Anti-detection features include randomized URLs and user agent rotation. Use Termux Phish Pro only for authorized testing and training. ReconBot AI automates OSINT in Termux using advanced AI. It collects data from web, social media, and dark web sources, scans public records, breach databases, and darknet forums, highlights key findings, and prioritizes high-value targets. Automated workflows save time and require minimal manual input. Chain searches for domains, subdomains, employee profiles, and leaked credentials. Outputs risk scores and recommended next steps. CryptoCrack 2026 is a high-speed password cracking tool for Termux, using both CPU and GPU for maximum performance. It supports the latest algorithms like SHA-3, Argon-2, BC-RIPT, and post-quantum hashes. The tool updates its dictionaries with new password leaks and trending phrases, and lets you customize thread counts and hash modes, or use AI to optimize settings. On high-end phones with strong GPUs, CryptoCrack 2026 delivers impressive speeds. Wi-Fi Hunter Next Gen is a wireless reconnaissance tool supporting Wi-Fi 6E and the 6 GHz band. It scans and maps all access points and devices in range. The adaptive engine handles WPA3, IoT authentication, and adjusts probing techniques automatically. It flags rogue access points and visualizes real-time signal strength. Scans are anonymized and logs encrypted by default. Only scan networks you own or have permission to test. Stealth SMS lets you send encrypted, spoofed, and self-destructing messages directly from Termux. Set custom sender IDs, schedule messages, and automate campaigns. Messages use strong encryption like AES-GCM or ChaCha20 and can self-destruct after being read. Logs are stored in an encrypted vault, protected by multi-factor authentication. Automate phishing simulations or two-factor code delivery for security testing. VulnScanner Ultra uses AI to quickly find vulnerabilities and adapts to new exploits as they appear. It maps threats to the latest CVEs and scores risks in real time. Scan web servers, IoT devices, or mobile apps. VulnScanner Ultra adapts automatically. Scans are fast and efficient. Choose deep scans or quick audits. The AI prioritizes real risks. Get clear, actionable results. Reports are interactive and easy to filter or export. Integrates with other tools for automation and ticketing. Works directly with Termux tools for a smooth workflow. Always scan with permission. Shelloit 2026 is the all-in-one toolkit for exploit development and testing. It features a huge library of up-to-date exploits and payloads for web, IoT, APIs, and cloud platforms. New attack techniques are quickly added as modules. The custom payload builder lets you craft and obfuscate multi-stage attacks. You can chain exploits and bypass advanced defenses. Test everything safely in a built-in simulation engine before real deployment. Shelloit integrates with VulnScanner Ultra and other tools for fast exploitation. The UI is streamlined for managing complex attack chains. Payloads are sandboxed with built-in honeypot and decoy detection. Shared workspaces and encrypted logs support secure team collaboration. Use Shelloit only on systems you're authorized to test. Exploits are powerful. Use them responsibly. Dark Web Crawler is a tool designed for anonymous, automated exploration of the dark web. This isn't just a Tor browser on your phone. Dark Web Crawler uses multi-hop relays, layered encryption, and advanced metadata protection to keep your identity hidden while you gather intel. The keyword alert system is especially powerful. Set your keywords, maybe a company name, a breached credential, or a specific threat actor, and Dark Web Crawler will monitor marketplaces, forums, and private chats, alerting you the moment anything pops up. You can automate content analysis to extract emails, Bitcoin addresses, or even malware samples, all without exposing your device. Reporting and export features are robust. You can generate summaries, export findings to your SIEM, or share de-identified reports with your team. Everything you do is logged in an encrypted vault, and all metadata is stripped before export to preserve your privacy. This tool is a game changer for threat intelligence teams, journalists, and researchers who need to navigate the darker corners of the internet without taking on unnecessary risk. But say it with me, use Dark Web Crawler responsibly. The dark web is full of legal and ethical landmines, so stay informed, stay safe, and never cross the line. So there you have it, 10 of the newest, most advanced Termux hacking tools that hackers are loving in 2026. These tools are insanely powerful, and in the right hands, they can help make the internet a safer place. But remember, with all this power comes serious risk. Always use these tools ethically, legally, and only on systems you're authorized to test. One wrong move can land you in a lot of trouble. Cybersecurity is changing faster than ever, and staying updated is key. Whether you're a professional, a student, or just a curious learner, make it a habit to keep up with new tools, techniques, and best practices. The more you learn, the better you'll be at defending yourself, and maybe even helping others stay safe too. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited about or want to learn more about. Keep pushing your skills, stay ethical, and as always, stay safe out there. Peace.